Cooking for your kidney health doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming, and it can include your favorite foods and flavors. By making small changes, some of your favorites can be made kidney-friendly so you don't miss out on the flavors and meals you love. When we talk to people with kidney disease, they often want to know how they can still eat pasta and cheese. So today, we're going to cook a comfort classic, pasta with cheesy meat sauce. High in protein and low in phosphorus, this savory dish will be one the whole family craves. You'll even find this recipe offers more flavor, even though it has less sodium than those store-bought, ready-made options that come with the powdered cheese or seasoning packs, which means it's a perfect kidney-friendly option. So, now, we invite you to meet us at the table. Cook half a box of your favorite large-shaped pasta, like these shells, according to the box directions. In a large pan, cook ground beef, onions, and onion flakes. You can use onion powder if you don't have onion flakes. When the meat is browned, drain any excess oil. Then, add beef stock, bouillon, and tomato sauce to the cooked meat. Make sure you check your ingredients to avoid sodium and phosphorus. You're gonna let the sauce simmer, stirring occasionally. When the ingredients are combined, stir in your cooked pasta and turn off the heat. You're gonna add the softened cream cheese, shredded cheese, and your homemade seasoning. Keep stirring until you see the cheese melted throughout. One serving of this delicious pasta dish is 8 ounces, or about the size of your fist. Done on a stovetop with simple steps in only 20 minutes, this will satisfy your craving for pasta and cheese in a kidney-healthy way. Remember, your dietitian is always available to answer any questions. They can help you eat well while still incorporating the foods you love. For more delicious kidney-friendly dishes, visit FreseniusKidneyCare.com/recipes.